Meet John. John is a farmer with 100 dairy cows. Following the abolition of European milk quotas in 2015, he is now able to produce more milk and therefore more dairy products. However, byproducts of dairy processing, whey permeate and delactosed whey permeate, are difficult to dispose of sustainably, leading to a bottleneck for the further expansion of milk production in Europe. In an effort to address this challenge and help John and other farmers to grow their business in a sustainable and profitable way, the Agrichemwhey flagship project, funded by the Bio-Based Industries Joint Undertaking, brings together 11 partners from 5 different EU countries. Led by Glambia Island, Agrichemwhey is building a first-of-a-kind industrial-scale biorefinery, which aims to take byproducts from the dairy processing industry and convert them into cost-competitive, sustainable lactic acid, bio-based fertilizer and minerals for human nutrition. This second-generation lactic acid can then be used to make high-value bio-based products, including bio-based plastics. This plastic could then be used to package the dairy products from John's farm for a circular economy approach. Side streams from the innovative fermentation process will be valorized as a food-grade mineral ingredient, as an additive and supplement for mushroom production, and as an amendment to agricultural soils. These steps close the loop in this zero-waste process. Agrichemwhey will demonstrate this cutting-edge technology in action and prove its viability and importance to the economy and the environment of the future. The outcomes of this project will support the dairy industry and wider communities to live and work more sustainably, with less food waste, more products from the same starting material, as well as CO2 savings. Agrichemwhey will also support the development and rejuvenation of rural communities across Europe, securing farm incomes and future green jobs. Agrichemwhey, an integrated biorefinery for the conversion of dairy processing side streams to high-value consumer-friendly products.